Hello everyone, I am Prashanjit. I welcome you all to my stream Prices Supreme. Today, this is my first YouTube stream where I will analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty using price action concepts. And try to find the upcoming direction. In this session, I will try to be as detailed as possible. Before we start the session, I would request you to like, subscribe and share this channel. So let's get started. This is Nifty monthly chart. To do price action analysis, we have to start our analysis from a monthly chart because all the time frames at the day end follows the monthly trend. Okay, so if you know the monthly trend, you know more or less which side the price is ultimately going to go. Okay, so this is the monthly chart. To do analysis, first thing we need to do is completely zoom out the chart. Once we zoom out the chart, we see where from the price has started and where it is standing currently. This is very important information. Price action analysis is all about understanding the price movement. What price is doing, what is the behavior of the price, what kind of patterns it is creating, and what kind of trap zones it is creating. Based on all this, we determine which side the price or the true trend will be, and based on the true trend, we take the trade. We do not use any indicators or oscillators to analyze. We use this price chart to do all our analysis. The first thing we will do is zoom out the chart and we'll start our analysis from the starting from price which is available in this chart. So we will first try to find out the true trend of the Nifty. My guru has told me once that when a trend gets steeper, then it breaches the trend and the trend changes. Okay, so we can see from here price is only going up, and is this that price will always go up? No, it is not. Price will go up to a certain point and then it will change its trend and again come down. This is how price, this is how the chart works. This is how the price works. So here price has moved up to this point, stopped and changed its trend, dropped, moved up, stopped, changed its trend, dropped, moved up, stopped, and our expectation is change of trend can happen soon either. Let us find out using the stiffness of the Nifty chart. If you look at this chart, you will see that the price has slowly accelerated. It has moved up and accelerated, and at this point price has moved up in a 90-degree angle. This is a steep angle. When any stock, any Nifty, Bank Nifty, it moves in a 90-degree angle, we expect the trend to change somewhere near. So, is it that price is going to change right now, or it is going to change after a while? That is something we need to understand, because right now when we look at the Nifty chart, the trend is very, very steep. And when trend is steep, we expect there can be a trend change. So this concept tells us that there can be a trend change, but when this trend change is going to happen? As far as price action goes, this trend change happens after the price gives us a signal, right? What kind of a signal? If you go with simple trend analysis, what does a simple trend analysis do or tell us? The simple trend analysis tells us that price makes, when price moves in an uptrend, price makes several higher highs and higher lows, right? It keeps on making higher highs and higher lows. Once one of the higher low gets broken, the simple trend analysts, they think that the trend changed and they expect the downtrend to start. Now, when we look at the Nifty chart, we can see so many higher highs and higher lows, but we still haven't seen that a higher low has been taken out. That means the uptrend is still intact in Nifty chart. If uptrend is intact, that means we can still go long in Nifty, but with caution. Why? Because as I said before, the Nifty uptrend is very, very steep. When it is very steep, that means it will be choppy, and it will not only be choppy, it will try to change the trend very, very soon, right? So as because we have not seen a trend reversal signal, we can still go long in this choppy trend. You can see prices moving down, then again going up, lot of things happening here. So for this week or the coming couple of weeks, I think Nifty will go up. Nifty will not go down. And after it makes a new high, then possibilities price can again come down, make another high, and then it breaks the higher low. Once it breaks the higher low, then our economy will be in recession, and the trend will change and price will come down. This is how the trend happens. Trend doesn't change like that. It changes after a certain pattern gets created, and this pattern has been identified at least 100 or a century ago, right? Now this pattern has been named, given name, so many names, right? You call this as a reversal pattern, you call this as a QM, Quasimodo, whatnot. You call this over and under pattern. So many names you have, but this is a century-old concept which still holds and works so very beautifully, right? Like one example I can give you here right now. If I go to the daily chart of Nifty, look how sharply it has fallen down. This is a very steep trend, and as I said, when the trend is steep, the price changes its trend. And look what happened, how the price changed. Price was creating lower highs and lower lows. What is lower highs and lower lows? Lower lows tells us is that here the price is in downtrend. So how the trend changed? Once the lower high gets broken, the price retraces, and look how beautifully the trend change. So this is happening for so long time, but there are very few people who will be telling you all this. So when price is steep and the higher low gets broken, you expect the trend to change. But if the price is steep, like here what happened, price is steep, but this higher lower high, I'm so sorry, lower high was intact. It was not taken out here. If this would have been taken out, the trend would have changed from here. And as because it has not been taken out, the price fallen down further until it takes out a lower high. Okay, this is how the trend works. So in Nifty, I know one thing: the trend is very steep. The uptrend is very steep. So when uptrend is very steep, I understand on the back of my mind, I know that somewhere near maybe 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, I don't care, because it takes its own time to form a pattern in the chart, and then we can see some kind of a downtrend, a big downtrend in Nifty. But as of now, today, I still do not have any such pattern. Whatever pattern has formed here are corrective patterns, and when corrective patterns form, price often goes up. Okay, so this is a corrective pattern in an uptrend, and we expect price to go up. Now question is, if we want to go long, because we expect at least for the couple of weeks price will go up, then how to trade this? Where to trade this? Are we going to enter right now wherever the price stands, or we will try to find out a trade? We will try to find out entry, stop loss and target, and then we enter at a certain price. So how to trade it? Basically, we trade a trap zone. If we find a trap zone here, we'll put our entry at the entry point of the trap zone. We'll put our stop loss at the bottom of the trap zone, and we will set a target based on what kind of a approach happened to that level. Based on that, we can set a target. Now, when I go very close to the price chart, what I can see here is that price has formed a 3 drive. What is a 3 drive? 3 drives are nothing but 3 equal triangles. I mean, more or less equal. In this case, the triangles are getting bigger and bigger, but that doesn't matter. This is a descending 3 drive. So in a descending 3 drives are bullish in nature. Okay, so descending 3 drives are bullish in nature, and in this case, price has engulfed the trend line. It has broken the trend line. So once a trend line gets broken, what happens, price retraces back to the broken trend line. It goes down, looks for a trap zone. It looks for a trap zone where from it can bounce. So this is a pattern which formed in this chart, which is a 3 drive pattern, which the bias of a 3 drive pattern is bullish, and that too we have a beautiful trap zone here. And Nifty has just tested this trap zone few days ago. If you remember, 1 or 2 weeks back in my Telegram channel and Facebook and Twitter, I posted this 3 drive chart of Nifty, and I showed that there will be a retracement and price will go up, and I marked this level since then. If you go and you can verify from my channel and all. So this level, I was knowing that price will come and go up. So this is a trap zone which price tested and trying to go up. Already gave 2:1, which is a very good return on investment. From 16,750 to 17,400. I mean, it's awesome. 700 points happened from this level. So so this is a level where price came down, and this is a retest of the 3-drive pattern. What is our expectation? Our expectation is from here price will go up and make a new high. Now, this trade which you see here has already been executed. It has already been tested, and price moved up, and nice good trade already happened, right? So now what happens, I cannot say that you can go long from this, because it has already reacted. It has given its full reaction, and currently price in this daily chart have not created any trap zone. There was one trap zone which got created here. Again, that was tested this week only, and price gapped up. As you saw, there was a very big gap up happened yesterday, and after the gap up you see a very big red candle formation. Is this very bearish? Looking at this red candle, we can say, okay, this looks bearish, but believe on me, this red candle has done nothing. Price gapped up, but this red candle has done nothing. In price action, we determine a candle's power based on what it has done. I mean, when we look at a candlestick, we try to understand that whether or when this candle formed, is a lot of buyers got stopped out. If a lot of buyers got stopped out, then we believe that the candlestick has a lot of power. If no buyers were stopped out, that means this is a fakie, and fakies do not give a good signal. Okay, so in this case price just gaps up and came down, that's all. Now you might have a question, how to know that a lot of buyers getting stopped out. That is for that you need to learn what is price, what is trap zones, where we keep the stop loss and all, right? So this candle, I don't think it is much of a difficulty for Nifty, and it can stop price to go up. Rather, if I go to hourly chart, I see that price has actually broken this hourly trend. Okay, so what price has done? Price has moved up. Price has come down by creating lower highs and lower lows, right? And now what happened? Price created a higher high by breaking the last lower high. So when price breaks a lower high, it is a signal that price wants to go up, right? And that is what I'm looking at. So price is coming down. I expect, there is a trap zone which is there. I expect might be price wants to come to this level. Okay, and I have another trap zone here. So I have couple of trap zones, and this is a reverse zone, this is a reversal pattern. And what I expect, I think Nifty either will gap up. Okay, again it will gap up, there is a chance. Tomorrow it will gap up, or it will slowly come to this point and then come down to this reversal pattern or max this level, right? I'm giving a deeper because to make you understand, and then it should go up. So this was the level which already got tested and price moved up, and there when it got tested, price created another level. So this is the third level of the sequence, because understand, when price was falling, this was the first level where I gave the trade, and then price created this level, price came down to this level, and a reaction happening, and another level got created. So expectation is price can go up, and this could be the area where we can put our entry, stop, and target, and try to take a trade. So in this case, I can have whenever we trade, we at least trade with 2:1, or if we expect more, we can have more. Okay, but in this case, I will look for 2:1. Why? Because I can see some trap zones there, and because there is a trap zone, I will not be, for this trade, I will not think beyond it. Let it be. From here, price goes up to this trap zone. Maybe, lot of things happen in a chart. When in intraday, price will hit this level, price might come down again to this level, a little deep inside this main level, and then again go up. So all those things can happen. So I will be playing. I will play it in a bit. I will not try to make all the profit or the full target. I will take a small portion of the profit and keep it in my account. Okay, and this is how I understand, when you are trading, the MTM profit which you are seeing on your chart or on your account, it's not at all a profit, because if price tomorrow goes down, that profit will again go to zero. But if you book the trade, the profit goes into your account, it adds up to your capital. So that is why I tell my students that whenever you are trading, try to trade in a way that you get the profit in. Once you get the profit in, you will again be able to take another trade, and that's how as I showed you that price created first level, so one trade happened, then price created another level, another trade happened, so on and so forth. This is the third level. So price keeps on creating this kind of trap zones, and one can trade them one after another, right? So it's better to book one trade, get the profit, and then look for the next trap zone. This is the best way to trade. Okay, this is intraday and TST trade which I have given to you. The maximum DATR of Nifty is 247 rupees, which means that in a day, Nifty moves 247 points. So what is our target? Our target is 158 points. So in one day, this target can be achieved. Okay, in one day. So this is all about Nifty. I hope this information is helpful for you, and this will help you to trade better. The next analysis which we are going to do is Bank Nifty. Again, we will start off our analysis from the monthly chart, and we will zoom out the chart completely, and we will start our analysis from the starting point or starting point of this chart. Okay, and we have marked the tool, the horizontal trend line tool, to find out what is the steepness of this trend. As you see, the steepness, this trend is very, very steep. Okay, and still it is holding, same like Nifty. And if I go close, price is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher high. This is again an uptrend, and as we discussed before, in an uptrend, the uptrend changes when a higher low gets engulfed or broken. But can you see a higher low got broken here? I can't see, right? So that means there is no information yet from the price that price wants to go down, right? If tomorrow this gets broken, then I will say, okay, the price has shown its intention that the trend has changed. Now I have to decide that the price is going to change its trend, and I will take more short trades than long trades. But until unless the higher low is intact, I will think going long. So what I expect, I can see that price has created this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and same high, same low, and then price breaks the lower high. What does this mean? This means the price wants to go up. I mean, this downtrend is over and the price wants to make a new uptrend, and this steepness is going to continue. This steepness is going to break when a higher low breaks, and I tell you something, this steepness is not good. It will make the price choppy. The more it goes up, the more it will become choppy, and then suddenly you might see a liquidity spike happening on the upper side, a very fast move, and then a very fast down. Those things happen when the steepness is too when it is very, very steep. Okay, so if I go to the weekly chart, what you see here is that price has broken a lower high and price is coming down. Where price is coming down, right? Price is coming down to a trap zone. We have multiple trap zones, in fact, in this chart. Okay, one trap zone is here, one trap zone is here, then another trap zone is here. So we have multiple trap zones. Then I decided to go to the daily chart, because I need some trades which can happen this week or maybe next week. Okay, and what I see that price has moved up and price has come down. Same like Nifty, we have a beautiful trap zone in Bank Nifty also. We have another trap zone here. So there are a lot of trap zones. We don't have good trap zones there. Lot of trap zones formed, but Nifty has, unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty has not given a feel to this trap zone. If I build my entry, my stop loss, and my target, I have not got the fill yet for this level. This is a very important level, and I think if tomorrow price comes down to this, I will be happy and I can take a long trade. Okay, but as said as done, I think this gap up will take the price up further, at least to this area. Okay, at least to this area. So this can be, this trade is there, but I don't think it will come to this point right now. It might come somewhere in the future, and I will be taking a trade. But as of now, this area, I think tomorrow price might gap up and go up. Whatever it is, I feel there will be some kind of an intraday trade there. Why? Again, low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So lower high got engulfed and price is coming down. There are a lot of hidden zones which formed, as well as we have a reversal pattern, right? And whenever this is the situation, there is a chance that price might come here and go up. Okay, so this is one of the trades which I can see in Bank Nifty, and similar kind of trap zone on the other side. So even if I think that I can take a trade from this level, my maximum target for now will be this level, right? This is how we find out trades in price action. In price action, using trap zones, trend, and everything, and patterns, we decide whether to go long or go short. And using the trap zones, we decide where to take the entry, right? So if this is a trap zone, I will put my entry at this high. How to build this entry and stop loss, that I teach in my price action course. You can check it out in my PG's masterclass website. So this is a trap zone, and I will put my entry at the trap zone, and I will wait for price to come down to my entry. Once it hits my entry price, then only I will be entering. So what is my entry price? 38,856.45. If it doesn't give fill, no matter, I will not take a trade. But if it gives me a fill, I will be in a trade. So in general, I will be in a trade. So this is the stop loss. I keep my stop loss below a trap zone, and my target based on opposite trap zone. So when we do this, we get very big trades, RR, which are more than 3:1, 4:1, 5:1, even 10:1, right? So this is what I think about Bank Nifty in coming days, and I expect this kind of levels will work. So this is my Bank Nifty analysis, and hope you liked it. If you have liked it, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks for watching, and this is the end of the stream. Thank you.